completely renovated home situated on an oversized lot. The renovations include all new AC, electric, plumbing, roof, bathrooms, kitchen and hurricane impact windows. Home features high ceilings and original plaster moldings. Fantastic kitchen with abundant counter space and cabinetry. Home has a split floor plan with 4 bedrooms in one wing and 2 others together, which can ideally be used as an office or guest quarters with a private side entrance. Open floor plan, ideal for entertaining. Beautiful heated pool and jacuzzi. Newly landscaped with large patio area. Approximately 3,000 square foot.